What's the meaning of adult education? Adult education. Adult education. Adult education. Adult education. Adult education. Adult education refers to the educational programs and courses designed for adults who want to continue their education or gain new skills and knowledge. It encompasses various forms of learning, including formal education, vocational training, and personal growth experiences. The main aim of adult education is to promote lifelong learning and support individuals in achieving their personal and professional goals. Through adult education, adults can improve their career prospects, enhance their cognitive abilities, and enrich their personal lives. Ultimately, adult education helps individuals achieve greater fulfillment and a higher quality of life.